Hagia Sophia, one of the most glorious monuments of the world, has thousands of visitors every day. Hagia Sophia was actually built 3 times. The first one was very simple and small, built by Constantinople II in 360 AD, but the structure was burned to the ground in riot. The second Hagia Sophia, built in 450 AD, a little more than 1 century later, the structure was burned for a second time in Nika revolts. The third Hagia Sophia is what remains today, built by the Emperor Justinian I in 537, whose desire was to build the largest church of his time. It remained the world's largest church for nearly 1,000 years. After the fall of Byzantine Empire to the Ottoman in 1453, it was converted to a mosque by the 21-year-old Sultan Mehmed II. He made certain changes to its design and its function. The pre-existing mosaic were all covered by paint, until 1931, when it was closed to the public for 4 years and reopened in 1935 as a museum under the Secular Republic of Turkey by Kemal Atatürk. In July 2020, the President of Turkey, Erdogan, opened Hagia Sophia for worship again after nearly 90 years. This is a quick history of